Hey guys, for today we're gonna continue the matrix. For the first yesterday or last meeting, we already learned about the brief introduction about the matrix, how to read, how to write, and how to recognize the matrix itself. Now we're gonna continue to the matrix operation. Here is matrix operation. There's 4 operations that we're gonna use in the matrix. First is addition. Addition is penjumlahan in bahasa. We're gonna use plus as the symbol. And subtraction is minus. Most of you are in the previous lesson, in the previous topic, it's function. Some of you are saying addition is plus, subtraction is minus. Actually, for naming the operation, it must be addition and subtraction. But to read the symbol positive, you can read this as a plus. Subtraction is minus. But never say that the operation is minus or plus. Sometimes plus and minus we use for naming the number like this. If there is 3, is positive 3. Okay, the sign of this number is positive. We never say that plus 3, right? So how about if I have example, I have negative 2. If we state that this one is minus 2, it's incorrect. So the correct one is minus 2. But sometimes we can state this one as minus and plus if it's operation. But naming the operation itself, it must be addition and subtraction. Then we have the third one is multiplication times. In first, why I didn't state divide, because later I will explain, but now I just briefly explain to you. We never divide matrix. Remember, never divide matrix. We use inverse, not divide. So remember guys, we use inverse matrix, but only the name is inverse. The meaning actually same like divided, but we didn't use this symbol. Okay, so in the inverse of matrix, if there's matrix A, same as the function before, pangkat negatif 1, kita membacanya adalah inverse matrix A. Okay, inverse matrix A, like before in function we use that inverse function, right? Remember? So for the matrix we state that inverse matrix, not divided matrix or anything. Okay, so next, today we only learn about addition and subtraction, and then next meeting we're gonna learn the rest of it. So jump to the addition first. Actually, there is the requirements atau syarat bagaimana kita akan menjumlahkan dan mengurangkan 2 buah matriks. Hanya satu syarat. Okay, jika ada 2 buah matriks, let's say there is matrix A and matrix B. Okay, the two of this one, A and B, can and only can add A at B, only can if the order of them is same. Okay, subtraction also like that. There's matrix C and D. If both of these matrices have same size, same order, or same same order, so we can subtract this matrix. So we write down here matrices means that more than one matrix, means that 2 matrix. So matrices of the same order are added or subtracted by adding or subtracting the corresponding element in each matrix. you know, corresponding element means that, you know, elements right before, elements is the number inside the matrix. The corresponding means the same position of between one and another matrix. So let's jump to the example to make you easier to understand. We try the addition first. I have matrix A with the element 2, -4, 3, and 0. And then B, the element is 3, 5, -1, and 7. Now I want to add them both. A plus B equals to question mark. So we're gonna find this. First, recognize matrix A in order. Ordernya berapa? Okay, row-nya 1, 2. There's 2 row. So you write down here 2 by, and then the column is 1, 2. So 2 by 2. Matrix B, 1, 2. There's 2 row, and then 1, 2. 2 columns. So same. They have the same order, 2 by 2. If already have the same order, so means that both of this matrix can be add or subtract. But we choose add first. Okay, so apa yang harus dijumlahkan Miss di sini? What we gonna add for both of this matrix is the element inside the matrix. So you can see the corresponding element before here, the corresponding, remember, corresponding means that the same position. 2 here is in the first row and then first column. It must be add by 3. Okay, posisinya sama 2 dan 3. 3 di sini juga menempati posisi di row yang pertama, kolom yang pertama. Maka 2 tambah 3. Okay, we can state here 2 plus 3. And then -4, same with 5. Okay, same position, so we can add -4 plus 5. How about 3? 3 is same with -1, so 3 plus -1. And then 0, same with 7, so we can add 0 plus 7. Now, jumping to the result. 2 plus 3, same position is 5. -4 plus 5 is 1. And then 3 plus -1 is 2. 0 plus 7 is 7. So the result of matrix A plus matrix B is 5, 1, 2, and 7. Now we are going to the subtraction. I have matrix C and D here with the same order. This is 2 by 2 and here is also 2 by 2. Okay, they have the same order, so we can subtract both of them. C minus D. Remember, C minus D. So we have here, and then 3 minus 2 here, same position. 2 and 1 here, 2 minus 1. 4, 1, 4 minus 1. 1 minus 5 here. So the result is 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 5 is -4. Okay, so we get the result. C minus D equals to 1, 1, 3, and -4. So then after that, I have another example for the operation of matrix. This is the kind of another question that maybe appear on our quiz or in our final test. So pay more attention, guys. Here I have an example. I have this matrix and this matrix added. So here is 4A. Remember, there is a letter A and B and 2. And then here is I have 3B. 1 and -6, then equals to the question is there's 2 matrix added and then there's the answer here, but some of the element is undefined like this one. There's a letter cover them. So the question is find the value of the letters. How we can find the value of A, B, and C. So jumping to that. Okay, here our question. Okay, our question before. Now, like we already done before, so we just add the same element. We just add the element that have corresponding or same position. 4 plus 3 because they have the same position here, first row and first column. So 4 plus 3 equals to A, letter A. So we can find A directly. 4 plus 3 equals to A. And then we have A plus B, same position, A plus B equals to 11. Next one is B plus 1, B plus 1. Then 2 plus negative 6, 2 plus negative 6 equals to negative 4. Now we separate the matrix so that we can find the value of each letter. Okay, 4 plus 3 here, 4 plus 3 equals to A. So 4 plus 3 is easy, is 7. So the value of letter A is 7. Now we jump to the second one, is A plus B here. A plus B equals to 11. Remember, the position is this one is same. Okay, A plus B is equals to 11. So before we got A is 7, so 7 plus B is 11. Now B is 11 minus 7 equals to 4. So we got B equals to 4. Now we jumping to this one. B plus 1 equals to C. B plus 1 equals to C. As we already find before, B equals to 4 plus 1 equals to C. So C equals to 5. 4 plus 1. Okay. I hope you guys understand the explanation of mine. So don't hesitate to ask me any question if you feel any difficulties. And I will attach the exercise. So I hope everybody already understand how to done the exercise and have a good grade. Okay, thank you guys. See you.